every time an actor loses weight or starts looking fitter or thinner, it's always for a reason. But no, for me, this is just me getting ready for the most fantastic time of my life in all aspects, professionally, personally. 2014 is going to be my year. Oh, actually, how do I find the artist first? Because the paintings, the murals, everything that the artist does is an extension of herself. And in this case, I'm in love with Rubal. She's a friend who people will always feel there is a bias towards, but you should have it. Because when you look at her work and what she does with her work has so much soul. एक होता है एक आर्टिस्ट की क्षमता किसी चीज़ को बनाने में, क्रिएट करने में, और दूसरी होती है जब वो उस आर्ट को औरों के लिए इस्तेमाल करे, for the betterment of the society, for encouraging children, for giving them hope. The Rubal Nagi Art Foundation does just that. Slum children all over Mumbai. She has huge plans for actually India and globally to encourage children who have no hope, to give them hope in the form of art. What we are going to see here today is some of her own work and some of the work of the slum children, and I think that's the way forward. My brother is very lucky. He keeps finding them, and and they're always good looking. Mashallah, he's very good looking himself. I have my fingers crossed. I want him happy, and whatever makes him happy makes us happy. मुझे बहुत शौक है, बट जब मैं रूबल जैसे आर्टिस्ट का काम देखती हूँ तो मैं चुपचाप, जैसे बाथरूम सिंगर्स होते हैं, मैं बाथरूम पेंटर हूँ.
But I'm sure she can paint equally good because art is very much in Bengali. You know, it's in their blood when they say it comes from West Bengal.
मेरी खुद की एक फाउंडेशन है जिसे हम IM फाउंडेशन बुलाते हैं. वो एक ट्रस्ट है. So this IM Foundation that we have launched is all about being a trust, जहाँ से हम बच्चों को educate करते हैं, औरतों की मदद करते हैं to stand on their own feet, और फिर जब हमें मौका मिलता है to come and affiliate or be a part of a foundation like Rubal Nagi's Art Foundation, I feel very very privileged because ultimately अच्छा काम होना चाहिए, मदद होनी चाहिए, कहीं से भी आए वो मदद.
Ritik's birthday. Could you just
Oh, you gorgeous, lucky, wonderful man. A very happy birthday to you, Ritik. God bless you with a fantastic year.
All I want to say is that I want everybody to take a step forward to just help whoever they can. These kids are from deep down in slums of our country, and all I want them to is get educated, have a platform where they can choose what's good and what's bad for them. Once they've come to a certain level of education, they know whether they want to be an architect or an engineer or an artist or whatever. You know, there's so much they can choose from. But education is the key. Every child in my country should be educated. Worldwide, but yes, I would be a little biased with my country first. So every child in India should be educated.
Why are you bored with my personal front? Finally, yes, we've done it. Okay, professionally, yes, we are going to see me back this year for sure. We have two very nice announcements. Hopefully they should come about soon. The filming for one of them begins in July, inshallah. And the rest of them, well, it's more of combining the entrepreneur side of me, which is the business side of me, and then the actor side of me, and the mum side of me, all of it together. On the 11th, I'm speaking at the EO conference, which is possibly my first step towards being an entrepreneur globally. So if you guys are going to be there, it's happening in Kolkata, and I'm possibly the only woman speaker there, so this should be fun. And exchanging ideas with 500-600 entrepreneurs around the world, it should be a very exciting beginning.
Here. As soon as they come, you will keep seeing. I don't want to give any name, but yes, you've seen people are coming in.
First and foremost, a very happy New Year. तहे दिल से आप सबको एक बहुत ही प्यारा साल मुबारक हो. 2014 will be a beautiful year for people. I've been calling it the year of manifesting your dreams. 26th January has always been special for all of us, as it should be. Happy Republic Day. God bless you all. Be proud to be an Indian. Always. Love you.